LA City now.
Yes, there's someone holding a knife in my home. Can you please come? No.
What's your address?
No. It's not Nuys Boulevard, apartment.
Who is armed with a knife?
That's a knife. Wait. Excuse me?
The person that's holding the knife, who are they to you? Are you guys related?
Yeah, she's my sister. She's on drugs.
What does she look like? White, black, Hispanic, or Asian?
Hispanic.
A color shirt?
White shirt.
Do we need an entry code to get into the building?
Yes.
What's the entry code?
Yes.
Okay, your sister, she threatening anybody with a knife, or she just holding it?
Yes, she held it in front of me right now. I had to lock myself in the room.
Okay, stay on the line. It's going to sound like I disconnected, but I'm only getting the officers going, okay? Don't disconnect. Machine units with smart violence, with mental illness, Nuys Boulevard unit. The entry code is going to be, suspect is a sister, female, Hispanic, white shirt, armed with a knife, threatening the PR. The PR is locked in her bedroom. The suspect is under the influence of unknown narco and 390 incident 0134 and RD 1966. Stand by for additional.
Open the door!
She's banging on the door.
She's banging on their door now.
Okay, Roger, just advise the PR that officers are making a mistake.
Alright, hold up.
Hey, if you don't come out with your hands up, we're gonna kick down the door. You guys ready?
Ready? Guys, come on. Hold on, let's get it. So you gotta probably have the donkey. It's your hands, man. Over here. Put the knife down!
Drop the knife!
Put the knife down!
Drop the knife! Drop the knife! I said drop the knife!
Stand by. Get back!
Hold on!
Stand by, where's the knife? Right here. Okay, we're good. Stand by. Well, it's gotta default, so you probably have to donkey. It's your hands, man. Over here. Put the knife down!
Drop the knife!
Put the knife down!
Drop the knife! Drop the knife! I said drop the knife!
Stand by. Hold on. Get back!
Más atrás.
Hold on!
Let me go hands on.
Right. Hold on.
We're good. Give me 1 sec. Turn around. Got it?
You okay? Got it. Okay.